The Office of Rail and Road, which is the independent safety and economic regulator for Britain's railways, is currently recruiting for trainee inspectors to join ORR in our offices across the country. This is a really important role in regulating health and safety on Britain's railways. The role is extremely varied. It involves a number of different activities, carrying out inspections, investigations. The role is field-based and will involve working with people across the railway industry. We have some basic requirements. The main one is to hold a level 6 qualification, but actually the specific nature of your qualification is unimportant. What is really more important are the skills that you can bring to the role. We're looking for people with analytical skills, the ability to assimilate large amounts of complex information, identify key issues, be able to solve problems, and most importantly of all, have excellent communication skills. The ability to communicate complex information to a wide variety of audiences is absolutely vital in this role. As a trainee inspector, you'll be allocated to one of ORR's inspection teams. And as a result, you could have the opportunity to work with organisations ranging from Transport for London to Network Rail or Heritage Railways. We have offices throughout the country, from Bristol to Glasgow, Manchester, Birmingham, London and York. So there's the opportunities to work all over the country. Having been a trainee inspector myself and having gone through the extensive training programme, I can say that the role of trainee inspector is one of the most rewarding and varied roles that you can do. There are times when it will be challenging, and there will be times when you have to deal with difficult situations. But most of all, as a trainee inspector, you will have a real opportunity to have a positive impact on the people who use and work on the railway. Ultimately, you'll play an essential role in ensuring that Britain's railways remain one of the safest in Europe.